Hello everyone and welcome to Code Up today, where code is made simple, tech is made easy. In today's video, we'll be teaching you guys how to install a simple Java development kit. In front of you is simple Java code. To run the code, you're just going to type Java main.java, and if you run the code, you get an error. You get this error because you do not have a Java development kit installed. To run any type of Java code, you need a Java development kit. And to download it, you go to your web browser and you simply search Java JDK. And to validate, the link is very simple. It's a red oval, written Oracle next to it, and make sure, guys, please make sure that it is www.oracle.com. Click on the first link that pops up and the web page should look like this. Oracle there, Java here, scroll down, go to Windows and select the x64 installer. Please make sure it's the x64 installer and just click on the link. Right, once that is done downloading, guys, you just click on open file and you give it some time to load. Now this is gonna load for a little while, so while you're at it, go ahead and like the video and leave a comment. Once it's done loading, you just click on next. You have that in front of you, you click on next. Please, guys, do not change anything. Don't get tempted to click the change button. Once the Java development kit is done setting up, we're now going to check that it has been set up correctly and is active. So we close this little pop-up we have, minimize or close your browser, go to command prompt, cmd, terminal, whatever it is. And you're just going to type Java --version and click enter. And there you have it. It's going to show you that you have Java 25.2.0 at the time of this recording. Now that you have Visual Studio Code reopened, we're going to quickly run the code again by typing Java main.java. Once we click enter and we try to run the code, it doesn't run. We get the same error. Don't panic, relax. This is because we haven't downloaded the Java extension pack for Visual Studio Code. To download it is very easy. You close Visual Studio Code, you reopen it again, and once it's opened, a notification will pop up on the bottom right-hand corner, and just click install for the Java extension pack. Now once that extension pack is done downloading, on that little notification you click accept, and we're going to rerun the code just to make sure everything is working properly. If that little notification pops up, please guys just click on allow, wait for it to load, and as you can see our code runs, but we're going to run some background checks or more checks to make sure that everything has been set up correctly. And to do that is simple. You just click on terminal, click on new terminal. You type out Java main.java, same as in the beginning of the video. And there we go. Our code runs with no errors. You have set up your first JDK. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.